Let me hit you with a tough question. What's the longest you've ever gone without sugar? Be honest. Was it a few days? Maybe just a few hours? Sugar is everywhere, hidden in sauces, breads, drinks, even so-called healthy snacks. And the truth is, sugar is designed to hook your brain like a drug. But here's the good news. You can actually fight back with food. The right foods can naturally kill sugar cravings, balance your blood sugar, and reset your taste buds. Today, I'm giving you 11 surprising foods that can help you finally beat sugar addiction. Some of these will blow your mind, and if you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal the one food that works almost like flipping a switch inside your brain. Number 1. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are like nature's candy, but without the sugar crash. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but also repair the cellular damage caused by years of sugar abuse. Here's the secret. The fiber in berries slows down how quickly sugar hits your bloodstream, so you get sweetness without the roller coaster spike and crash. If you find yourself craving candy, keep frozen berries on hand. A small bowl of them feels indulgent, but actually works with your body instead of against it. Blend them into smoothies, top them on oatmeal, or just eat them plain. The sweetness is powerful enough to trick your brain out of a craving. Number 2. Avocados. Think about what happens when you eat sugar. You get a quick burst of energy, then a crash that leaves you craving more. Avocados flip that script. They're full of healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which stabilize blood sugar and keep you full for hours. The creamy texture also satisfies your brain's craving for something rich. You can slice avocado on whole grain toast, make a guacamole dip, or blend it with unsweetened cocoa for a creamy chocolate pudding alternative. The richness gives your brain the pleasure it's searching for without the sugar. Number 3. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate made the list, but only the dark kind. Dark chocolate is loaded with magnesium, a mineral your body uses to regulate stress. And here's the kicker. Stress is one of the biggest triggers for sugar cravings. That means by eating a square or two of dark chocolate, you're not just satisfying a sweet tooth, you're calming your nervous system and reducing the very reason cravings strike in the first place. Over time, switching from milk chocolate to dark chocolate also retrains your palate to enjoy less sweetness. It's like rewiring your taste buds. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. All of these are portable, filling, and incredibly powerful when it comes to shutting down cravings. Why? Because they combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats in one package. That trio keeps your blood sugar stable and your appetite in check. Even more surprising, chewing crunchy nuts satisfies the oral fixation that comes with cravings. Your brain just wants to chew something. Keep a jar of almonds or roasted pumpkin seeds nearby. A handful can be the difference between giving in to sugar or beating it. Number 5. Eggs. Imagine starting your day with pancakes or cereal. You'll be craving sugar by 10 a.m., but start your day with eggs, and suddenly the cravings vanish. Eggs are rich in protein and healthy fats that help control the hunger hormone ghrelin. They also boost your levels of dopamine, the feel-good brain chemical that sugar usually hijacks. Whether scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet packed with veggies, eggs set you up for a craving-free day. It's not just breakfast, it's your shield against sugar. Number 6. Apples. Apples are one of the most powerful anti-craving foods because they hit 3 key things at once: natural sweetness, crunch, and fiber. The pectin in apples slows down sugar absorption and gives you a lasting feeling of fullness. Eating an apple when a sugar craving hits can completely change the game. Here's a tip: pair apple slices with almond butter. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats doesn't just fight cravings, it completely satisfies your brain and stomach in a way sugar never can. Number 7. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are underrated when it comes to sugar addiction. Packed with protein and soluble fiber, they regulate your appetite hormones and keep you full for hours. When roasted, chickpeas take on a nutty, crunchy flavor that feels like you're snacking on something guilty, but you're actually balancing your blood sugar. Add them to salads, blend them into hummus, or roast them with cinnamon or paprika for a crunchy snack. Chickpeas are proof that beating sugar doesn't mean eating boring food. Number 8. Carrots. Carrots might surprise you. They're naturally sweet, but instead of spiking your blood sugar, the fiber inside slows everything down. Carrots give you crunch, sweetness, and satiety all at once. Snack on raw carrots when you're craving candy or chips, and your cravings will start to fade. They're also full of beta-carotene, which improves eye health and skin, so while you're beating sugar, you're literally glowing from the inside out. Try dipping carrot sticks in hummus or guacamole for a power combo that crushes cravings. Number 9. Quinoa. This ancient grain is a sugar fighter disguised as comfort food. Unlike refined carbs like white rice or pasta that trigger cravings, quinoa is high in protein, fiber, and minerals. It keeps your energy stable and prevents the highs and lows that fuel sugar addiction. You can use quinoa as a base for savory meals, or even make a sweet version with almond milk, cinnamon, and berries. It's hearty, filling, and exactly what your body needs when sugar tries to hijack your hunger. Number 10. Bananas. Bananas are naturally sweet, yes, but here's the trick. When eaten slightly underripe, they're loaded with resistant starch, a special type of fiber that slows digestion and improves gut health. This helps cut off cravings before they spiral. Bananas also contain tryptophan, which your brain converts into serotonin, the same happy chemical sugar spikes temporarily give you. But instead of crashing, bananas give you a natural, sustained mood lift. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or just grab one when the craving monster shows up. Number 11. Oats. Oats are one of the most powerful tools against sugar cravings. They're a slow-digesting carb filled with soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for hours. Eating oats in the morning instead of sugary cereal can lower cravings for the entire day. Here's the trick. Make your oats exciting. Add berries, nuts, or even a spoonful of peanut butter. When oats are done right, they're comforting, satisfying, and a direct weapon against sugar addiction. Here's the truth. Sugar addiction doesn't disappear overnight. It fades as you retrain your body with the right foods. Every time you choose one of these 11 foods, you're teaching your brain that you don't need sugar to feel good. You can feel energized, satisfied, and even happier without it. So now my challenge to you. Which one of these foods are you going to eat today to fight back against sugar addiction? Comment below, and let's hold each other accountable. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips. Together, we're kicking sugar's grip for good.